Hey, what's up, gamers? This is Mystic. We are now inside the Darkmoor castle and about to fight a bunch of big hairy werewolves. One of them looks like he's a life guy. I want to see what kind of spells he's going to cast on us. So I'm going to go ahead and get started now with the team and see what we can do. Let's see what we got.
I am Lord Shane von Shane, and this is my family estate,
Vampire.
built on the sweat, tears, and blood of generations.
Yeah, but not your generations.
My authority has been usurped by your nemesis, Malistaire the Undying. However, he will reward me greatly for destroying me.
Right.
By crossing this threshold into Castle Darkmoor, you have put yourself at my mercy. I would be kind.
But you ain't going
This
to.
is Howling Chaney, a poor, savage beast whose life is limited to small joys. Howling Chaney? Crypty wizard's lies. Remember this very, child. We learn from failure, not from success.
Even a wizard who is pure in heart both day and night may become a wolf when the wolfbane blooms and Darkmoor's moon is...
Sorry, guys. I wanted to see that, so I didn't jump in the fight quite yet. See, Myrna Shield, Luke Giant Hunter. Who's this person? Mariah Ghost and me. Let's see what we've got. I'm kind of anxious to see this one werewolf standing up. The rest of them are on all fours. I just can't wait. Oh my god, I can't just wait. What the heck is? Jeez! Oh no! They made Big Bubba into something else, like an undead. Oh no! Poor Big Bubba. What the heck is? Oh! Whatever it is, it's not very pleasant. Ouch! That's cool. I wonder if I get that spell. That would rock. I don't know yet. I guess we'll find out, won't we? And there goes Lady Shadow, her beautiful, beautiful self, throwing those heels out like they're going out of style. I love it. Howling Chaney is the boss here. Rank 13 boss. Hound of Heck. I'm sure those are all Hounds of Heck. Wow, what is with dude? He's throwing gnomes out. I hope he ain't hitting me with it, because that would totally mess me up. Let's see. I don't think so, though. Oh, he's hitting this girl, Myrna. She looks like she's a death girl, but I haven't watched her spells. Let's see. Ow. Let's see what she's casting. Uh-oh. Oh, I got one too. No way. No way, guys. You're killing me with that. No. Oh, that's gonna hurt. So she was alive. Look, they hit both of their lives. That's very interesting. I think they're picking targets here. Because I hadn't hit or done anything to generate threat. But they hit me anyway. Interesting. And it's interesting also that... Let me turn this music down a little bit. There we go. You can't hear yourself thinking. I mean, I turned the music down earlier. You can't hear yourself thinking with it on low. I hate to see if I had it on full blast. Woo. See, look at all these regular spells. Got this kind of like mud color, like I don't know, like they're all undead. And what is that? What is that spell? Is it? These guys are balanced. Maybe those are all balances. Huh. Alrighty. Alrighty, Aphrodite. Let's just get rid of that. I gotta get rid of that other fail that they got on me. Uh-oh. I think she's saying something a little bit, yeah. Oh, okay. Sorry guys, I'm not going to talk as much as usual because I'm really, really interested in this content and seeing what's going on. And I get a little focused sometimes and don't say what I should. Okay, fizzle that out, great. It's weird that they have lives in a vampire castle. Let's see. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna boost up my critical way, way high and hit him with a Forest Lord and see how well it does. I think she forgot that she had that big old life fail on her. Let's see where we're at. More than a few blades there. I need some of those. Hand those over. That's if they don't hit me with another gnome, so I hope not. Is it me? No, it's somebody else for once. Good. Oh, but that's smart. Damn. He took a big bad one from that. What's happening? Come on, boys. What the? Oh, he gave her a triple shield or a triple trap. Okay, I see. I'm trying to figure out what the heck happened there. He's got myth. So I guess those His life fails are wasted on him. I thought that for sure they were targeting life there a minute. I guess not. Here he comes with another Forest Lord. Ugh. I swear, it seems like he gets pips faster than normal. Come on, boys. What we got? And a critical. With a pierce. Ooh, shit. Ooh. Oh, there you go. Thank God she blocked it. Woo. Okay, well, that wouldn't have been so bad. 1,300 maybe. Yeah, he does too. I'm waiting for her to say something smart back. Wow, you thought those would have hit? Oh, that's right, they're balancing my life. Okay, never mind. Let's see what Forest Lord does against him. I either didn't hit a critical or else that wasn't as powerful as I was expecting it to be. I think we're killing off the minions though. Nice. And I might have enough for a little bit more. Well, I've got 2 pips. And I think the only thing I can do is wand, but still yet, I'll take it. She's lifeless. I thought I could have switched this cast a death circle. I can't type with the damn guys, sorry. What's it? Oh, that's a Celestial calendar. The Mayan calendar thing. Good. with a critical nice. Let's see how that does against him. Wasn't bad. Wasn't bad, I admit. Take me some pain doing some heal here for these guys, because Myrna especially is really low. I wonder if I'm going to get that. I'll bet I get that gnome spell for hitting him. But I wasn't the last one to hit, so maybe not. Let's see. The guy with the celestial calendar might get it. Yeah, he's going to get it. I keep calling it celestial calendar. I don't know enough about myth to know if that's right or not. That's what it looks like, though. No, it's me. Shocker. Surprise, surprise. I don't think you can kill me with that either. It'd be a shame to be in this battle and be freaking killed in the first battle. Oh, no, that would just not fly. I also hope there's some kind of healing in here other than just our bottles. Wow. Blocked. Let's see how much resist he's got to a life spell. A fair amount. A fair amount. I guess old dude's got another one. There we go. Well, we're doing pretty well against him. He's not all right in the bag of peanuts. I'm glad I threw that heal in there last minute. Yes. There he goes. Hope you guys brought some potion bottles with you. Oh, really? Oh,
Dead
you're
men
killing
of
me.
all eternity.
That's what I got,
to pine
guys.
After their lost loves.
Oh, there we go. Well, we got the werewolf speed. I don't know how, but we did. Luckily, at the end, there's a bunch of life and mana that's floating around. You can see it just went. Some of it just went by. They're very efficient here at casting life spells. This guy seems like he spams Forest Lord like I eat breakfast all the time. So that's what you get to face. Let's go ahead and go up to the next level and see what we got going on. There are Storm, Death, and Star, which could be any freaking thing, unfortunately. Let's load up some guns early. What's this bit?